Welcome. If you've ever struggled to find those important emails from over a month ago in your Gmail, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to easily view important messages that are older than a month, all from your Android or iPhone Gmail app. Whether you need to reference work information, relive personal memories, or simply stay on top of your inbox, these quick steps will help you find exactly what you need. Let's jump in. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. The three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, located in the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. A side menu will slide out, offering plenty of options. Scroll through and tap on the important label. This section only shows emails that Gmail has automatically marked as high priority, so you won't have to sift through every message in your inbox. Now, above your email list but right below the search bar, you'll notice a filter option labeled Date. Go ahead and tap on Date. This brings up several filtering choices to organize your emails by time. For this guide, select older than a month. Instantly, Gmail will display all your important emails from over a month ago, putting your most relevant and older messages right at your fingertips. From here, you can open any email to read, reply, forward, or take any action you need. You can also further refine the results by searching for specific senders or keywords, making your hunt for that crucial message even easier. And that's it. These simple steps help you to access your important older emails in just a few taps. No scrolling endlessly or getting lost in a crowded inbox. Next time you're searching for an email that slipped through the cracks, just remember this method and you'll save time and stress. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tech tips. Thanks for watching.